Good morning everyone. This is Aradhya from 5th class in Sri Chaitanya High School. My class teacher name is Shashi sir. Today I am going to tell a story about truth and honesty. Once upon a time in a village there lived a milkman named Santosh. He lived in a small hut with 2 cows. He fed meal and the cows gives plenty of milk. He sell the milk and make lot of money. He was restless. Why so was wrong and used this word. There is nobody to guide people. This may keep sad every day. One evening after selling milk, came back to home. He saw a saint sitting on a tree meditating. He slowly moved to him and sit beside him. After some time, slowly the saint opened his eyes and asked, "What do you want to Santosh?" Santosh asked same question to the saint. Why so much wrong, evil in this world? Saint smiled, said, "Go to the fish pot." The Santosh went to the fish pot and asked the same question to the fish. Fish said, "Give me some water to drink." Santosh surprised. "You are still live in water, but still you drink water. Oh kind man, truth and honesty are side of a man's heart. First you find out it. The Santosh thanked the fish and cheered the way. Moral of the story is truth and honesty lies within ourselves.